I went and bought some of this replacement deep cleaner for my Rug Doctor cleaning machine. I actually bought one of these machines, but even if you rent one from the grocery store or from a rental place, you're going to want to use the official Rug Doctor cleaner for those machines. Otherwise, you could have problems. Too much foam, not enough good cleaning, whatnot. But this OXY variant, they've got a couple different types. There's one for pets, one for fine carpets. This one here for OXY. It's got a triple action cleaning thing. So it says it cleans, deodorizes, and protects. It's got 3 times the features, I guess. So gives you enough to do 9 rooms, it says. This is based on the fact that this is 96 fluid ounces. I got to tell you, when I was at the grocery store, I was about to pick up a container, and it looked like this one, but it was only 48 ounces. So it was literally half the amount, and it was the same price. So you can definitely find this here on Amazon at the best price possible for the largest amount. In my machine, I typically need to put 1 cup of this into the machine and then fill the rest with hot water to make it run. So this is definitely good stuff to have around. Whenever you're going to clean your carpets, you're going to need to be using this. So get yourself a bottle of this at the best price that you can find right here on Amazon. Hey, I hope this helps. Have a great day.